Welcome back, guys. Today, we're looking at 16 insanely useful Amazon gadgets that simplify everyday tasks. From clutter-free storage to genius cleaning tools, these picks are total game changers. Want to grab one? Links are in the description. This steam mop is a powerful and efficient cleaning solution designed to tackle dirt and grime with ease. Featuring the natural power of steam, it effortlessly sanitizes sealed hard floors without the need for harsh chemicals. The lightweight design and easy-to-fill water tank make it convenient to use, while the quick heat-up time ensures you can start cleaning in seconds. With its washable, reusable pads and swivel steering, this steam mop reaches every corner for a deep, streak-free clean. Perfect for homes with pets and kids, it's a must-have for a healthier, sparkling clean home. This automatic pot stirrer is the ultimate hands-free cooking companion, designed to stir your sauces, soups, and stews effortlessly. Featuring a powerful yet quiet motor, this rechargeable stirrer ensures even heat distribution and prevents food from sticking or burning. Its adjustable arms and height make it compatible with a wide range of pots, while the long-lasting battery provides hours of continuous stirring. Perfect for busy home cooks and multitaskers, this smart kitchen tool saves time and effort, letting you focus on other tasks while it does the stirring for you. This electric makeup brush cleaner machine is the ultimate solution for effortless brush cleaning and drying. Designed for makeup lovers and professionals, this powerful device cleans brushes in seconds, removing dirt, oil, and makeup residue for a flawless application every time. With a one-touch operation and multiple brush color sizes, it fits most brush types and ensures a deep, hygienic cleanse. The fast-spinning technology leaves your brushes dry and ready to use instantly, saving you time and effort. Keep your beauty tools in perfect condition with this must-have makeup brush cleaner. This wireless meat thermometer is your ultimate kitchen companion for perfectly cooked meals every time. Designed for precision and convenience, it features advanced wireless technology that allows you to monitor your food's temperature from a distance, ensuring hassle-free cooking. With a fast and accurate sensor, this thermometer provides real-time temperature readings, making it ideal for grilling, roasting, smoking, and even deep frying. The sleek, user-friendly design and intuitive display make it easy to use, while the durable, heat-resistant probe ensures long-lasting performance. Whether you're a professional chef or a home cook, this thermometer takes the guesswork out of cooking, so you can serve up juicy, flavorful dishes with confidence. This automatic vacuum dustpan is the perfect solution for a cleaner, more convenient home. Designed for effortless dirt and debris removal, this powerful 1000-watt vacuum instantly sucks up dust, pet hair, and crumbs with just a wave of a hand or broom. The infrared sensors detect messes, activating the vacuum automatically for a hands-free cleaning experience. This sleek and compact device fits seamlessly in kitchens, salons, and living spaces, eliminating the need for bending down with a traditional dustpan. Its high-efficiency dual filtration system ensures cleaner air by capturing fine dust particles, making it ideal for allergy sufferers. With a bagless canister and easy disposal, maintaining a spotless home has never been easier. This citrus juicer machine is designed for effortless juicing anytime, anywhere. With its powerful rechargeable battery, you can enjoy fresh citrus juice without the need for a power outlet. The compact and lightweight design makes it perfect for home, office, or travel. Its efficient motor extracts maximum juice with minimal effort, while the easy-to-clean components ensure hassle-free maintenance. Whether it's oranges, lemons, or limes, this juicer delivers smooth and refreshing juice in seconds. This grain dispenser is the perfect solution for keeping your kitchen organized and your grains fresh. Designed with convenience in mind, it features an easy-to-use dispensing mechanism that allows you to measure the exact amount of rice or grains with a simple press. The airtight design helps preserve freshness, preventing moisture and pests from affecting your stored food. With a sleek and space-saving design, this dispenser blends seamlessly into any kitchen setup. Ideal for rice, lentils, beans, and more, it ensures hassle-free storage and effortless access to your daily essentials. This magnetic knife holder is the ultimate solution for keeping your kitchen organized and your knives within easy reach. Designed with strong, premium-grade magnets, this holder securely grips knives of all sizes, ensuring they stay in place without slipping. The heavy-duty stainless steel construction provides durability and a sleek, modern look that complements any kitchen decor. This space-saving knife strip is easy to install and can be mounted on walls to free up valuable counter space. It's versatile enough to hold not just knives but also scissors, tools, and other metal kitchen utensils. Whether you're a professional chef or a home cook, this magnetic knife holder offers a safe, convenient, and stylish way to store your cutlery. This liquid soap dispenser offers a touchless, hygienic way to keep your hands clean. Featuring a built-in infrared motion sensor, it dispenses the perfect amount of soap without direct contact, reducing the spread of germs. The large 17 ounces, 500 milliliters, capacity minimizes the need for frequent refills, making it ideal for home, kitchen, or office use. Designed with an adjustable soap volume control, you can customize the amount dispensed to suit your needs. Powered by batteries, this soap dispenser is convenient and easy to install, offering a mess-free, efficient, and reliable hand-washing experience. This cloth drying rack is designed for ultimate convenience and efficiency. Crafted with a sturdy yet lightweight frame, it easily folds down for compact storage when not in use. The multi-tiered design provides ample space to dry clothes, towels, and delicates while ensuring optimal airflow for faster drying. Its rust-resistant construction makes it perfect for both indoor and outdoor use. Whether you're saving energy, protecting your fabrics, or maximizing space, this collapsible drying rack is a must-have addition to any home. This cable management box is the perfect solution to keep your space neat and organized. Designed to hide messy cables, power strips, and chargers, it provides a clutter-free look for your home or office. Made from durable, high-quality materials, it ensures safety while enhancing aesthetics. The sleek and modern design blends seamlessly with any decor, while ventilation slots prevent overheating. Ideal for desks, entertainment centers, and workspaces, this cable organizer helps reduce tangles and keeps everything in place. Say goodbye to cable chaos and enjoy a cleaner, safer environment with this cable management box. This robot vacuum is the ultimate cleaning companion for your home. Designed with powerful 8,000 pascals suction, it effortlessly lifts dirt, dust, and pet hair from carpets and hard floors. The dual rotating mop pads ensure deep cleaning, leaving your floors spotless and shiny. This smart vacuum features LiDAR navigation for precise mapping, allowing it to avoid obstacles and clean efficiently. The auto-lifting mop detects carpets and lifts itself to prevent unwanted wet messes. This robot vacuum is also compatible with voice assistants like Alexa and Google Assistant, making hands-free control easier than ever. With AI-powered obstacle avoidance, it smartly navigates around furniture, wires, and everyday household objects. This rotating desk organizer is the perfect solution to keep your workspace neat and efficient. Designed with a smooth 360-degree rotation, it allows easy access to all your office essentials, making organization effortless. Featuring multiple compartments, it provides ample storage for pens, pencils, markers, scissors, sticky notes, and more. The durable and sturdy construction ensures long-lasting use, while its sleek and modern design adds a stylish touch to any desk, office, or home setup. Stay organized and boost productivity with this versatile and space-saving desk organizer. This dish drying rack is the perfect space-saving solution for your kitchen. Designed for versatility, this durable stainless steel rack rolls up easily for storage and expands to fit over your sink, providing a sturdy surface for drying dishes, rinsing fruits and vegetables, or even cooling hot pots and pans. The non-slip silicone edges ensure stability, while the rust-resistant construction guarantees long-lasting use. Ideal for small kitchens, RVs, and apartments, this multi-purpose drying rack keeps your countertop clutter-free and maximizes efficiency in your daily kitchen routines. This ultrasonic jewelry cleaner is the ultimate solution for restoring the brilliance of your jewelry, watches, eyeglasses, and more. Designed with advanced ultrasonic technology, it generates powerful yet gentle sound waves that penetrate deep into intricate crevices, effectively removing dirt, grime, and buildup without harsh chemicals. This easy-to-use cleaner features a spacious stainless steel tank, allowing you to clean multiple items at once with just tap water or an added mild detergent. With its one-touch operation and automatic shut-off, it delivers a hassle-free cleaning experience in minutes. This magnetic spice rack is the perfect space-saving solution for your kitchen. Designed with a strong magnetic back, it securely attaches to your fridge or any metal surface, keeping your spices, condiments, and kitchen essentials within easy reach. The durable, high-quality construction ensures long-lasting use, while the sleek, modern design complements any kitchen decor. With ample storage space and a hassle-free installation, no drilling or screws required. This spice rack helps keep your countertops clutter-free. Upgrade your kitchen organization effortlessly with this magnetic spice rack. And there you have it. Which gadget are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments below.